to Coursera platform. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an organization account and how to sign up to the service first. So here we are at app.coursera.com. If you don't have account, you need to click on sign up. Here you have to choose organization as a target user group. Then fill in all the information. Agree to terms and privacy policy. You can read it here. And then click sign up. Confirmation email, where you have to click on confirm email in order to sign into the Coursera platform. Now I can input my login information, and I can see the form to fill in about my organization. You have to fill in this and save changes to go to the next step. Here we landed on the organization profile page, where I can see all my details and I can see the employees of this organization that I created. So far I am the only one, but the next step, as you can see, like, we didn't create any talent requests yet, and it's time to do that, and you can click take me there. So here is the environment where we can request a talent. First of all, you have to create a talent name, basically describe what kind of person you are looking for. In my case, I will write down that I'm looking for UI UX designer. You can provide short description for the talent you're looking for, like key requirements, what kind of qualities and strengths you are searching for. When I finished filling in information about the name and short description, I can start adding skills, what skills I'm looking for this exact talent. There are two ways of adding skills. The first one is quick search, where I can type desired skills. They appear in the search form and then I can add them. Then there is another way, is browse skills through occupations. Occupations you can filter based on categories presented here, and also using alphabet filter. But here we will have a list of occupations which you can expand and see what kind of skills there are for this occupation, and descriptions of skills, and of course description of occupation itself. But let's start first with the quick search, and as I'm looking for user interface and UX designer, I will start typing user, and here I will see all possible skills or knowledges or technologies, and I of course want this person to design user interface, and I would like the person to be able to run user research, so I will pick that skill. And maybe I can add this GUI design software. When I added all skills that I want for this quick search, then I can click add. They will be distributed here in this area according to the type of skills. So design user interface is a skill, graphic user interface design is technology. Okay, I also want to add HTML and CSS maybe. Wait a second. CSS. I want to full name for the skill. I will add it. It's also technology. And now I also will add this application usability, and this is knowledge, so it goes to this knowledge category. When I have at least 5 in total, these knowledge, skills and technologies, I can proceed to the next step. And here we have a phase where I need to define the experience and expertise for specific knowledge, skill or technology. Application usability, I want the person to be knowledgeable, so I change the expertise. The work experience, maybe I need a junior designer, so I will put 0 to 1. And here you can also read what work experience refers to. And hobby experience also is relevant. It refers to non-profit activities like studies or hobby projects. So I can actually make it to be a bit longer, because if person took education, it probably took them some kind of years, at least 3 years of education, for instance, in that area. And basically you have to adjust this according to your needs, and then when you finished with this, you can submit this form. There is also possibility to remove the skill or knowledge you actually don't want if you change your mind. But I am actually satisfied with the collection of skills I have, and then I will click submit. And now I am in a dashboard area where I have my talent requests. So I have this I created recently, and you can create as many talent requests as you want. You can also duplicate it and edit. So here I will have information about skills, knowledge and technologies that I picked. Description for that talent request is gonna be here. After you created your first talent request, it's time to apply to our program. You can find the link to programs over here in the side menu bar. Here we have the list of programs. Application period for those programs on top is ended. Let's search for more. Here we have the open program for Pirkanmaa 2022. We can view details of that program. And of course, then we can apply to that program. I will click apply. Now I have a status that I applied to this program. After we apply to a program, we can now browse recommendations of job seekers. Let's go to the talent requests area here in the side menu bar, and you can see that you can access your talent requests. Also, you can browse recommendations. Let's check it out. Here we can choose the program of our interest. The talent request is chosen automatically. If you have only one, it will be this one. Then I have to choose the path, and we have 2 paths currently, software development and digital marketing. So I am interested in software development, and I click filter here. Now I can see the list of applicants, and I can view their profiles. Here we'll have the relevant links, description of person's expertise, then the list of their skills, knowledges and technologies, and I can of course download the CV. I can book interview with this person. The booking is not automated for now. You have to basically email the person and confirm that you want to run an interview session with that person. And if interview was great, you can accept the person to the program. Let's check other tabs in talent recommendations. Here we have a favorites section. This is a section where you will see somebody you liked. For instance, I added this person to my favorites, and I'll be able to see their profile over here. The same functions will be available. I can browse the details, accept to program or book interview. The last tab, here I will be able to see recommendations that Coursier sent me personally. Usually you will receive also email notification like checkout, we recommended a profile for you. Let's check other features at the Coursier platform. If you click this organization tab, you'll be able to see that you can invite employees. This feature might be useful if you want, for instance, your HR person to create talent requests for your organization. Let's check it out. This is a simple form where you provide initials of the person and email address. You also decide if you want to give admin rights to that person. Then you can send invitation.